Hello,
Carmela. How are you?
Now, Squeeze, are you familiar with what Carmela does here for a living?
Quite familiar.
Tell us what she does.
I think I need to walk over to her with a check.
What you do? You owe her money. She actually said that, and I said, it really it's really not probably professional to be here in the studio and ask Squeeze. That's why I said go into the social media.
I need to walk over there with a check.
Yeah.
But anyway, Carmela, good afternoon.
So,
Carmela Walrond happens to be our tax attorney at the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. She has helped numerous individuals to reduce their taxes significantly. I have heard miraculous stories here on the Brad and Squeeze show, and also out in the corridor, also out in the streets. And I know she's doing a good job here at the law office of Spar and Bernstein in getting your taxes reduced. And especially now it's coming up into tax season, one should actually speak with this attorney here at the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. So, Carmela.
So let me just make a little introduction here, okay?
I thought I did that, but go ahead.
I have the introduction here on the sheet.
The one that you have on the sheet. So the one I did was not good enough.
No, you did a good job. You did a good job, but the producer gave me something.
Discount me like how Carmela get taxes discounted. Why don't you do that?
I'm discounting you.
Yeah.
Like USA Credit discounts.
Like the job that Carmela does with the IRS.
The first 2 months.
Go ahead.
All right. So 2017 tax filing season is coming up, Carmela.
Very soon.
All right.
Yeah, starting January 29th.
And Trump has passed his tax bill.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lot to be aware of in the upcoming tax season. I know taxes is not the most exciting thing, but people need to be listening to us. Mm-hmm. So what do you need to be prepared for in the year of the Trump tax season with all these big tax cuts?
Well, one of the things that's going to be taking effect is regarding changes to the tax rates and also change for like child tax credit. And what I was saying that I think a lot of your listeners need to know that starting in 2018, in order to claim child tax credit, you must have a Social Security number for that dependent. So it's very important to maybe see an attorney, and a great immigration attorney to see how you could obtain that, getting a Social Security number for your dependent in your household or child.
What about people who own their businesses? What's the changes for them?
Sure.
Squeeze, pay attention, Squeeze.
I'm paying
this
attention.
is you. You're a serial entrepreneur, Squeeze. You have many businesses, and he's looking at his phone. This is something Squeeze should be listening to.
I already disclaimed that I'm going to have to walk over to her with a check.
Yes, all right. So, people who are serial entrepreneurs like Squeeze, what should they be doing? Besides playing Candy Crush on their phone, which is what he's doing right now.
I don't even know what that is.
Yes, he knows exactly because you're playing it.
No.
Candy Crush right now.
Sure. Starting in 2018, there's a 20% deduction on business income for pass-through entities.
What does that mean? I don't even get that. What does that mean?
Sure. Pass-through entities are people who own their own
what is the
businesses.
20% discount? What is this?
20% discount on your business income on your personal tax return starting in 2018.
So what does that mean?
Year. So meaning that if someone has their own business, creating an LLC, S corp, partnership.
So let's say I made $1,000 profit. What does that mean? So that means I only pay taxes on $800?
No, you'll get a $200 discount on that income starting in 2018. But only for people.
So in other words, I just want to make sure I understand it, okay?
Sure.
So let's say for example, I owe $1,000, right? And my profits that they're taxing me on are $5,000. I have no idea. I'm making it up. Okay? So you get a 20% discount on the $5,000, so that's $1,000, but I only owe $1,000. That means I owe zero. Is that correct?
So, but the important thing is that you have to be a qualified trader business. So that's why it's to come and see me that I can help structure your business, creating an LLC or a partnership. So you'd be eligible for that 20% discount starting in 2018.
Now, Squeeze. Not only does she do people's taxes and structure their businesses the proper way and do their taxes for their business as well, she helps people save money on their taxes, people who owe money and can't afford to pay it. Mm-hmm. Are you aware of this?
I am quite aware.
All right. Why don't you talk to her about it?
I believe that I believe what she should actually do is give us an example of people that she has helped.
What kind of example can you give us?
More appropriate, yeah.
That's very
Sure.
good.
I had
Excellent. Excellent. Yes.
I had a client that owed about $80,000 in taxes, and actually he was disabled. He was actually a former worker for MTA, and he injured himself, and he could no longer obviously work for the MTA, and he owed $80,000 in taxes. So I recently got a settlement for him for $3,000 on those taxes. So he was very, very grateful. This is a man that obviously his income drastically reduced.
You see, this is where the clapping. This is where the clapping should be coming in. Okay, $80,000. No, that's a shocking. We need that. Yay! The $80,000. There you go. A little late, but okay. Better late than never. $80,000 he owed in taxes. I mean, that's a lot of money. Think about it.
Yes.
That's more than he was probably making in any given year. And then even if he made that money, even if he made $100,000, okay, right. And he owes 80, he's got nothing in his pocket. Okay, right. How does he even pay his rent or pay for food? And Carmela, I mean, that's a lot of stress, especially on a retired guy. And Carmela took that $80,000 tax debt, turned it into $3,000, which was very doable for the guy. I'm sure he gladly wrote a check for $3,000 and said, thank the Lord. Thank the Lord, right. Or maybe thank Carmela, or maybe thank both of them that I don't owe this money anymore. What a relief that is, right? I mean, think about the sleepless nights squeeze.
Very.
Right?
Very, very.
Yeah.
This is a true story. He actually took a successful selfie with you, Brad, several weeks ago. So this is a true story of, someone that was really struggling, like I said, injured on the job, and now got a drastic reduction in his tax debt.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Tax attorney is synonymous with Carmela.
Correct. Carmela is synonymous with tax attorney.
Yes.
Okay. Tax attorney is synonymous with Carmela.
All right. Tax attorney and Carmela is synonymous with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein.
Correct. And what is synonymous with law offices of Spar and Bernstein is a telephone number called 1-800-Lawlink, where you could reach Carmela at 1-800-529-5465. That's our telephone number, 1-800.
Be slow with it. You are a little bit fast, Brad. That's what I heard from her. All right? 1-800, the lady who called earlier, she said you were very quick.
I'm very quick.
1-800.
I'm very fast.
529
in certain areas.
5465. 1-800-529-5465. You call that number now with any tax problems that you may have. Speak with Carmela and get a free consultation, and then she'll take it from there. Carmela, thank you so much for being on the show. You have been great as usual. And we must remind people that prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, but I say Carmela Walrond.
Correct. Right? I say Carmela Walrond because it's synonymous with tax attorney, which is synonymous with law offices of Spar and Bernstein, which is synonymous with I can speak to a tax attorney for a free consultation. So what do you got to lose?
And what's synonymous right now is prior results do not guarantee similar outcome. This has been an attorney advertisement. We're going to the top of the hour, but we're coming back on the flip side of one. All right.
Right. And so everybody on WVIP, we're going to be back with more immigration. We're going to be answering people on Facebook. Hang in there. We're going to get all your questions through our rapid fire Kim, our social media queen, Belgium Kim. Bodacious Kim, beautiful Kim. She's got lots of names these days. We'll be back to answer all your immigration questions on Facebook. Everybody on hold right now on 1-800-529-5465. Hang in there. We're going to come at the top of the hour. We're going to be answering your questions. So we're not going anywhere. Thanks very much, Carmela.
All right.
All right. Thank you.